Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, I can't say that. Before we get into today's video, that doesn't sound right at all. Take 10! Before we get into today's video, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. As you might know, if you're familiar with my channel, I'm in a completely new space. And I say new space, I'm literally just in a different corner of the studio. You'll have probably seen it in all my other videos. With my old space, there was just not enough space basically. I was facing a wall. The camera felt like it was literally here, and there's a ring light right in my face, and I just felt very claustrophobic, so I've kind of shifted some stuff around, and hopefully you like this little bit of a different setup. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Obviously it's a work in progress. I'm hoping to kind of cover this wall in crafts and DIYs and whatever else we do on the channel. But without further ado, let's get into today's episode. I can't say today for some reason. Obviously we've tested out kind of kids products, kids art products, and we've tested out like paintbrushes and lots of other stuff as well. And today I thought we would test out a neon sign kit that I found on Amazon. I've always been fascinated and I absolutely love kind of neon signs, neon letters, so hopefully this will be decent. Let's have a quick look and see what it says about it. Right, so this is them here. I've got a pink one and I bought a blue one as well just to test out the different colours. Strangely enough, the pink one was £9.60 and the blue one was £11.45. I don't know why they were different prices, but they were. And apparently it says the possibilities are endless with this super long and flexible string light. I can't imagine that the possibilities are endless, but we'll soon find out. Ah, the batteries aren't included. I don't think I've got any batteries. I'll have to have a look around the house. So basically it looks like you have kind of a piece of wire and kind of like a fairy light, and you just kind of attach it with like little clips to the metal, I think. Let's have a look at the reviews. Good product, but not so good humming. So apparently they seem to have a high-pitched humming sound from them, so we'll have to check that out. It's got some good reviews as well though, it's got very mixed reviews. Overall, I do like this product. It's made me feel like a low-budget Tracy Emin. That's exactly what I want to be, a low-budget Tracy Emin. I think that's kind of good enough. I get the gist. I just hope there's enough of it. I don't know whether they're going to be quite small or not, but we'll soon find out. We'll open them up and we'll have a little look. So this is them here, and I have to admit I was quite shocked at how small the boxes were. I don't know, for some reason I was expecting kind of a bigger box, but it is what it is. We'll see what it looks like inside. Obviously I haven't opened this up or anything. I did manage to find some batteries as well. I had to take them out the TV remote.
Are you listening? Damn.
There's not really a lot in it. Let's just see if it works. Wow, okay. I don't know whether you can hear that, but I'll bring it closer to you, one sec. That's the humming sound they're on about in the reviews. I thought it might have just been like one or two of them, but obviously... Let me check the other one to see if it has the same issue. Yeah, this one has the same issue, it still has a sound. Hang on, I'll bring it to you again. Hopefully the recorder's picking this up, but it has like a high-pitched sound to it. I can't imagine it's particularly great, especially if you're wanting this light on for a long period of time. I think it'll drive you crazy, but we'll still give it a go. The wire and everything, the self looks okay. It's so like, you can tell it's cheap. You can tell it's super cheap, but we'll bend this into something and see what we can make. Yeah, scissors will cut this wire as well, so it's not too strong to where you need pliers for it. Let's see what my amazing artistic skills can do. I'm going to try and spell... Well, I'm going to try and spell my name. I'm going to try and write my name out and see if that works. I think this is going to be harder than I thought it was going to be. So that's supposed to be an A, that's an N. How the hell do I do a T? Thing is, I write in all block capitals, so cursive is not my strength at all. And spelling isn't either. I've missed the H out of my name. It kind of looks like my name a little bit. I had trouble with the T and the H because, well, and the A. I had a struggle with everything. But it's hard when kind of the letters kind of come to a cross. Right, so apparently all I need to do is use this stuff here, which is essentially a thin wire, and we wrap this around what we've already done and then secure it with this stuff. So that should be easy. I will say the neon thing on the front, this lettering, and the hello they've done there, that is photoshopped. There is no way they've got that result or that result from this product. Absolutely no chance.
False advertising.
I might start with this end first, just in case I have too much, and then I might try and cut it. Thing is, I'm just thinking it would have probably been easier just to use kind of cable ties, but I didn't think that far ahead. I wasn't expecting this to be as fiddly as it is. It's driving us crazy. Right, I can't use this stuff, this wire stuff, it's shit. I'm gonna hunt down some cable ties, and I'm just gonna use some cable ties for it because this stuff's just, it's too hard. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not using that stuff because I don't like it at all. One sec, I'll just go get some cable ties. Right, I'm back with some cable ties I've hunted down, and if this works, I would recommend this because that stuff's horrible. It's so difficult to work with. Try again, take two. Yeah, that's a lot easier. A lot easier. I think the cable ties are less discreet, but you can actually, like, do it. One thing's for sure, I was not expecting this to take me as long as it is. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like a quick and easy thing, but it's not. You have to have a lot of time on your hands. Which apparently is something I have plenty of. I will say as well, you get more light than I thought you were going to get. But even with the cable ties, I'm still finding it incredibly fiddly. I feel like I need 4 arms. I'm almost done and I am sick of it. I just hope, hang on, let's have a quick look. We'll have to take it into a darker room to have a proper look at it because I can't really see it very well in this light. That's why I know fine well they photoshopped it on the box because it does not look like that at all. Right, I am done. The thing is, I've got all this spare kind of light and I'm not sure whether I can cut it or not. It's got like a little nub on the end. I think you can. It doesn't say whether you can or not, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the pink one. I'm just going to trim a little bit of the pink one off just to see if it still works or not, because I don't want to waste. I just don't want that one for me to have spent all that time doing that for it to not work, so I'll just test this. I'll chop a little bit of it off. Yeah, it does. I thought it might. Right. Okay, so I don't need any of this excess. There we go. I was going to make another one with the pink one, but I honestly can't be asked. Do I think this is a good product? No, not at all. I think this product is absolutely shite. Absolutely shite. It's obviously, it says it's a novelty product on the box, and it obviously is a novelty product, but it's just, I'm going to turn that off, it's loud. It's just kind of cheap and cheerful, and I don't know why I kind of expected more from it. This was very thin and small. But what I'll do is I'll show you what it looks like in kind of darkness so you can get the full effect. And I'm not sure what it looks like because I'll record it after here, but I can't imagine it looks any better really. I have to admit that it looks a hell of a lot better in the dark. In the light it looks shite, but in darkness it does look a lot better. So yeah, it still doesn't look like Anthony. But it looks a lot better than it does in daylight, I'll give it that. It sounds loud, it was a pain in the ass to make. Oh, I don't rate it, I would give it 0 out of 5. 0 out of 5. It wouldn't get any stars. But let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. I was going to put it on my wall, which I still might, just as kind of a piss take. Let me know what you think of it down below in the comments, because I just don't rate it at all. Let me know if you've ever kind of bought one of these or used one or something similar, because I can imagine there's lots of kind of different brands of it available, but for me it wasn't great. I had low expectations of it in the first place, and my low expectations were correct. I would definitely recommend buying cable ties with this, because the wire they provide you with, this really kind of thin stuff, is horrible. And it's not that it's really horrible, it's just really, it's a fiddly thing to begin with, and this makes it even fiddlier. So I would definitely recommend buying some cable ties or some sort of clips, because it makes the installation process a lot easier. But that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a like on the video if you did enjoy it. And yeah, let me know what you think about this new setup, about the new kind of studio area. Is it better than the last one? Is it worse than the last one? You can also say that you hated both, I don't mind. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!